Hello friends, how are you all? I hope everything is good. In today's tutorial, we have discussed how to create CRUD operation by using Spring Boot and Thymeleaf. So CRUD is basically stands from create, update, read and delete. So firstly, we can create one Spring Boot project and we have creating the CRUD operation. So in this tutorial, we have creating one operation like read operation. And our next tutorial, we have three tutorials. We have create the create operation, update operation and delete operation. So we have writing the line by line code, no any skip or no any demo code on that. We have writing also scripts also line by line. So you can understand the basic concept of how to write the code and how we can debug the errors and how we can real time basis how to developer will be write the code and at the industry level. This is the you can understand, guys. So watch this video till end so you can understand the concept of Spring Boot CRUD example. And you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press bell icon so you can upgrade to the next technical videos of my channel. So for time simplicity, I have opening my presentation so you can understand how we can create the CRUD operation and how it is the block diagram of Spring MVC. So firstly, we have one main page. In this page, we can understand how our application look like after creating all performing all these steps, all these four operation. Means here we can read operation there, update operation will be there, delete operation will be there, add employee operation will be there. This is the all operation, guys. And in this tutorial, we have using Spring Boot. This is Spring Boot and this is Thymeleaf. And we can define as let's build from scratch. So we can building from the scratch level, guys. Next step will be that we have application requirement. So what we can do means what type of application we have doing the CRUD operation, but what is the application mean? Basically basic functionality of the application means which functionality we have doing. We have using banking or we have using employee management system or we have using anything of that. So we can understand the what is we have requirement. So here we have one requirement like create a UI page of employee management system, and we have to define like list four functionality like get a list of employee, add a new employee, update an employee, delete an employee. There are four functionality of that. Then second slide will be that we have block diagram of Spring MVC. I will explain that what is the this block diagram. Firstly, we have getting the request from the web browser. Means we have hitting the web browser or Google Chrome like that, and we have to getting the request like we have getting the give the admin, I have given the ID of 1 and give me the data of ID of 1. So it will be going to the controller through the dispatches roulette. After controller will be design what type of request. This is the put request, patch request or delete request or any request. Now what is the main API endpoint and what is the controller layer will be designed. And after that we have to going to the service layer. In the service layer we have to one business logic, means how we can dealing with this situation. Means user will be want to the ID 3 data, then ID 3 will be expired, ID 3 will be freeze, or ID3 will be anything available, means we have not giving the data of ID3 will be blacklisted or anything of that. So we can in the service layer we can write the logic of that what is the functionality we have giving in the service layer. So service layer talks in the repository layer we have to query level logic, means we have to query like select employee from employee table where employee ID is equal to 1 or like that. We have used the JPA method also, like find by ID, find by name or find all like method of JPA also. And the repository layer will be talk to the DB layer. After that the reverse operation will become, if the DB will be giving the data of I of 7, then repository layer tells to the service layer we have getting the data of 7. Service layer will tell to the controller layer, and controller layer we have getting the data for giving the data to Thymeleaf layer, and Thymeleaf will be shown in the web browser. This is the process of Spring MVC, guys. And then we have to closing that and opening the workbench, guys. So inside the workbench we have writing the line by line code. So we can created the SQL table, and we have inserted that one data. Database table will be created, and we have inserted that data in that table. So we can create one project. So we have giving the Spring initializer, and in Spring initializer we have creating Maven project in Java. It will be version will be correct. Then we have pasting like LEAR learn code with Sankalpa, and we have giving the artifact like CRUD and CRUD example, and we have package name like same as group ID. So we have packaging like jar, and we have adding dependency like web dependency, MySQL connector dependency, driver dependency, JPA dependency, and for Thymeleaf dependency. For dependency will be when we have automatic refresh, we have using the DevTools dependency. Okay guys, this will be enough guys. So we can generate the project, and we have to in this window. So new window will be opening guys, and here we can see that new project will be opening guys. See guys, our new project will be created, and here we can some changes, like here we can Java version will be 17, then we can replace it Java 1.8, and second thing will be that we have replaced the Spring Boot version also. So we can replace the Spring Boot version of 2.7.5. This is enough guys. Then we have to process like OK, and then we have to update our project. So we can update our project. It enough guys. We have updating our project, so we can include the dependency of Spring lower version. So here we will updating process will be done guys. So we can create, firstly we can create the package structure, or we can firstly create some database operation configuration in application.properties file. So firstly we can giving the properties file operation like spring data source.url, we have giving the JDBC MySQL host 306 and employee Gment. Then we have to giving the username and password. Data source dot username we have employee, and spring dot data source dot password, we have password also employee. This is solve guys. This is our configuration guys. Then next we have create the package structure. So we can create the package structure in that. So we can create the package like new package NTITY class controller. No guys, this is wrong. We are not creating the class. We have created the package. So controller, then we have package, third package will be that service package, service package. Then fourth package will be that repository. Okay guys, fourth package will be created. This is main package guys. Then we have to open the inside the entity package. We have create one class like employee class. Inside the employee class we have giving the annotation like entity, and we have giving the table name. Table name like employee, and then we have giving the fields like private int id, private string first name, string last name, string email, and here we can give the annotation like @id and generator value, strategy, generation type, identity. Okay guys, then we have to giving the column name. What we can giving in the database. So the column name we have giving here. So we can giving like @column, and name will be that FIRA first name, same as the column name. And here we have ID. So this is wrong. We have copying and pasting here, and here we can replace as ID, and here we can replace as last name. Here we can replace as same as email. Okay guys, then here we can create the zero argument constructor, no argument constructor, and getter setter. So here we can generate constructor, select none. We have creating no argument constructor. Then we have creating the all argument constructor. Then we have selecting, clicking on constructor, and we have selecting all these things, and we have creating all argument constructor. Then we have to create the getter setters. So inside so generate, we have creating the getter setters. Then next we have to source generate toString also. Okay guys, our Pojo class will be completed. Then we have to move on the controller class. Inside controller class we have creating new class like employee, employee controller class. Inside employee controller class we have mapping like @controller, @request mapping, and we can give the employees, and here we can create one method like public string list employee, and we have passing the model inside the argument. Okay guys, then we have to import the model from the spring.io UI. Okay guys, then we have to getting the data from the service layer. Then we have to attire the service layer. Employee service. Okay guys, service class will be not created, then it will be giving the error. So you can create the class of service. Then we have to pass it on the Now we can create the interface of service. So we can, in the service layer will be interface, then we have to create the interface. Okay guys, then we have to, inside the service layer we have creating the interface. Okay guys, then we have to give an annotation like @service, and then it will be implement the extend the employee IMPL. Okay guys, this is created. Then we have to create one another class like employee service IMPL, and it will be also an annotation like @service. So creating it will be bin. Then we have to extend implement the interface like employee service. Okay guys, this will be sorted. Then we have to calling the service layer method. So find all employee, and it will be returning the list of employee. Then we have to create this method inside the service layer. We have list also in the list, import the list. Then we have create the method. Okay, so method will be created and we have given the implementation of that. So we have given the implementation of the method. Okay guys, then we have to inject this repository layer. @wire employee SITORY employee repository, we have creating the interface and the JPA repository, and we have giving the employee and integer, and we have to import this class. We have giving the full form. Okay guys, then here we can also give the repository annotation. Okay guys, then we have to call the inside the service layer, we have to return the list of employee, and no, we can return the Thymeleaf page, employee list, and here we can pass in the semicolon. Okay, and inside the model we have passed the employee list to the front end. Employment dot add employee list dot add attribute. Here we can pass the employees and temp employee or temp employee, and here we can pass the employee list. So this key object will be fetching from the front end side. Okay guys, then we have to getting the employee repository dot find all. Okay, our backend code will be done. Then we have to create this Thymeleaf HTML page. So we can copy that name, and inside template we have creating the one HTML page. So we have creating the HTML page like this. Okay guys, then here we can add the Thymeleaf CDN. So here we can find the CDN. We have opening our Chrome, and inside the Chrome we have defined like Thymeleaf Thymeleaf CDN for HTML page. Okay guys, we have writing the only command lines, no anything. So we can opening anything sites of Thymeleaf, or we can open the Thymeleaf official page. Official page will be very suitable guys. Then here we can see that here will be Thymeleaf. Here will be not present guys. So we can see on this site. Okay guys, here will be Thymeleaf. See here, this is very important. This is CDN guys. So we can copy that and pasting on our head tag. Okay guys, then we have to link also. We have required the bootstrap. Bootstrap.com. Here we can see guys, we have this bootstrap CDN also. So we can paste on that link inside our link. We can paste that also. This is our bootstrap CDN guys, no worries of that. Okay guys, then we have to giving the title of CRUD example. Okay, then we have to write the Thymeleaf code. So for Thymeleaf code we have writing creating one div container, class container, new class container. Then we have to giving the some heading. So we can giving the h3 tag, and inside the h3 tag we have giving the heading like we have our channel name, LEARN, learn code with Sankalpa, and we have giving some styling like align, center, and here we can also giving line like employee management system. Then we have to giving like creating one table. Then we have to giving some line break here, and then we have getting the some table. So we can write the table giving the class bootstrap class like table bordered table stripped, and then we have to closing this table, and inside table heading section we have to pass like table head, and we have class like this is all guys. See bootstrap class I have remember that class, so I am writing that. You can follow the official document and refer the class as per your designing requirement. Table light. Okay guys, and here we can giving the heading name, so we can give the tr tag firstly, and tr inside the tr tag we have th tag, then we have to first name, and next will be that last name, and fourth will be email. Okay guys, then we have to here we can write the table body, t body d. You can giving the class like table group driver. Okay guys, then we have here we can write the one for each loop, so we can giving like th colon, we can align some table body here, we can align like th colon each like temp employee, here we can our Thymeleaf object, and here we can write our backend object of that. Here we can write the backend object like that here. Here for less of confusion we can here like that this employees. Okay guys, then we have opening the employee list, and here we can pasting this. Okay, then we have closing this. We have no closing of this, so we can write like here we have guys, we have one mistake. Now it is okay guys. Then we have to close this tr tag also. Okay guys, we have closing the tr tag, then we have writing the data in the td tag, so we can writing the data like th colon text, and here we can write the temp employee dot first name. Okay guys, we have not giving the typos, so we can getting the error, so we can pasting the 3 times. You can last name email. Okay guys, then we have to close this. Making some alignment guys. I think it is over guys. We have using for each loop we have iterating the employees, and we have giving the employee for the getting the employees. So this is enough, guys. So we can run our application and see what is the error or what is anything. So we have running our main class. This is our main class, so we can running that. Our application is running, guys. This is compiling firstly. If any error occurs, we can resolve this error as real-time basis. Okay, no any error till now. So we can our running will be port 8080 employee/list. So we can open our controller class. Here we can missing the @ or it is enough, guys. So we can get mapping. Here we can give the get mapping, and we have list. We can save that and also rerun that application. So we can our URL will be forming that localhost 8080 employees/list. Okay, guys, our application is running, guys. Then we have opening the browser, and here we can pasting the employee/list. So see what's happening. See, guys, our data will be coming. Then we have data like Sham Sundar, Ankit Mishra, Rahul Roy. Then this data will be coming here. Sham Sundar, Ankit Mishra, Rahul Roy. If we have adding one more data, then we have to adding one more data like we have inserting one more data like we have pasting like here, and here we can inserting one more data like employee ID4, Gaurav, Jina, GOU Gaurav. Okay, guys, we have to run this. Guys, we have to run this. See, guys, our Gaurav will be added in this. So what is the issue? We have used the employee management, and then we have getting the oh no, table will be dropped. So we can create that table, and we have to writing the query like inserting the Gaurav records only. Okay, Gaurav record will be inserted. Then we have to inserting our 3 record only. Okay, guys, our 3 record also inserted. See, guys, our 4 record in the table. So we can replace this. So we can getting the 4 records. So we can replace this. We have getting the Gaurav Jina also. So we can getting the read operation, guys. Next video we have creating one button in this in this line or in this upon the table, and we have add the employee. We have creating one form and we have trying to add employee. So you can watch next video, and if you like my video, then subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you guys. Bye.